Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to define financial statement versions. So use transaction code OV58, then press enter. So here you can see like all the predefined country-wise financial statement version. I will select for the India here and click on copy as. I'll change the reference here. I'll make it 7075 as per my company code. I'll also change the chart of account here 7075, then click on copy here. Now you can see your financial statement version is created, and here then click on financial statement items here. Here you can see like all the node, so you can create your node as per your requirement. Like suppose once I click here create items, you can see here on the top not assigned, you can create your node as well, like balance sheet. Loss. Click on continue here. Now we can see the two nodes are created under this balance sheet. You can also create item here like asset, liabilities. So here as per your like financial statement version mapping, you can create the diagram here, mapping over here. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.